Hello and welcome everyone to Chacha on Oco Lab with conversation on conversation and peer learning. My name is Abhishek Tiwari, and I'm really grateful for Oco Lab for giving me the opportunity to host this event. Oco Lab. So when you all have heard, this is the event organized by Oco Lab. So let me tell you about something about Oco Lab. Oco Lab is a platform, or it's a student community where you will come across people with an aspiration to create disruption in the traditional methods of teaching and learning. So Ocolab strongly believes in the concept of teach and learn. That is, more you explain to your peers, better you get your concepts clear in your head. So we believe Ocolab really believes in the concept of teach and learn. So like today we have three wonderful guests, Janvi, Zabia, and Hafsa. Like they are the co-founders of a growing initiative called Conversation. Okay, and Conversation is a platform that gives an opportunity to talk, rant, hear, learn, and grow. So where people from different backgrounds and different mindset come together and share their experience, thoughts. As the name suggests, Conversation really emphasizes on conversation to create a positive attitude, positive environment. So, guys, tell us more about Conversation.
Just
Right.
covered. You just
Conversation,
covered literally everything that we know.
Yeah,
if you could just tell us more, like this is
yeah.
what, yeah, like your using personal experience that all that you have gained since your startup, starting from the startup.
I think Hafsa can give a good background on this.
Okay,
Yeah.
Afsa.
Thank you, guys. I like the support and also putting me in the spot. So I'd like to start with like you literally covered everything. But one
Okay,
thing I learned over the course is that each and every conversation on the same theme is so different. That it's like, and you could be talking about the same thing, sometimes same people, and then you're like, oh no, this is so different. Like what I was believing yesterday, and एक दिन में your whole like belief system gets kind of changed. And we always have these like we call it brain fart moments because in every like conversation we have this, damn, you never like I never thought of it this way. So, and you always have something that you take away. And like you said, it's about spreading positivity and also giving people the voice. Like, it's not like we don't have a voice, like Meghan Markle said, that we always have a voice, but nobody hears it. So, it's more about giving people the platform where people can hear that voice. So,
no,
yeah,
like
I just want
yeah,
to
like actually, I really agree with you. So what happens is now when we are in a debate or when we discuss certain things, we get to we get to learn some different perspectives and different way of looking at the matter. So yeah, the like talking
say.
and yeah, basically conversation is really important to gain some perspectives and understanding. You guys all from the same college, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're
All from
classmates.
KC. Yeah.
Okay, so you're all classmates.
Right.
Uh, so like, uh, how did the idea came up, of creating some amazing platform like this, and how your journey started? Like, it's really interesting how you came up with such a good topics on a routine basis to just have a good chat. Basically, creating a platform where people come and have a chat. So, how how it all
Again,
started?
sorry for giving it back to Hafsa, but the thing is, it started from Hafsa. So I think
Oh,
would be the best person to
Yeah.
answer it.
okay, Hafsa, go ahead.
I was expecting that one. So it started in a positive psychology lecture. For those
Okay,
who don't know, yes, we do study positive things too. Like we have the stereotype that psychologists are all about depression and anxiety. No, we're about positivity too. A lot more about it. So what happened is that a amazing faculty or member told us to write something that made them, all of us to write something that made us positive. So people wrote beautiful pieces. It was a creative writing thing. Like you just had to write 500 words, guys. Was that
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
500 words.
Fabs.
Yeah. So
okay.
we were supposed to
It
write.
all started from concept note.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I wrote about conversations because
Okay.
I couldn't think of anything else that made me more positive. Every time I spoke to these two, or like my mom, I felt instantly better. It could be the worst thing I had no control over, or it could be something that I'm just ranting. I'm like, it doesn't even make sense. I'm just like pissed at that. So, and it made me feel better. So I sat on the thought for like 2 days, and then I messaged them on our like going to the psychologist group, and I said I have a stupid idea, guys. And these two, being the amazing friends that they are, they said, shoot, like we have to hear this. At least tell us. So we got on call. I think I got on call separately.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
because we weren't free at the same time. But let me tell you, sorry for cutting you off, Hafsa. All her stupid ideas end up turning very good, you know. So they're not
Yeah.
that stupid as she thinks they are. She just needs to talk them out.
Yeah, so I
Yeah,
told these
also
guys
everything
that
depends on you. Like,
I'm feeling that. So yeah, I told them and they loved it, and it was something that it actually they were the reference point because even they love conversations. It wouldn't have happened if they didn't love. If I would have thought because these were the two more available people in my head, and they love it. So I was like, yeah, these two also love it. Matlab, pura dunya also loves it. Let's do it. Let's do this together. And they
And
then
we started it within a week. I think we didn't take a lot of time.
Yeah.
We,
Because,
we yeah,
yeah,
the
sorry,
idea
sorry.
came and it just started go on journey. This is what
yeah,
happened.
I,
actually, that's great. Like when you have something in mind, just go start. Like most of the people say, idea is generally for a few seconds. When we like, if we don't think over that and we don't like create something solid out of it, the idea just goes away.
yeah. But the thing was, Abhishek, also, it's very simple, you know. Conversations are very simple. And like Hafsa said, it's so important for everyone. Like, we feel very light after that. So, we didn't take a lot of time to register. Nahi, kya hai, bata, process mechanically, yeah, you know, what is the complex process that will go behind this
Exactly.
conversation. We just went in the flow and it's going quite well. Like, we see people, initially, we were skeptical, you know, that whether people will come or not. But people do come and they talk a lot. I'm telling you, they talk a lot. And it's fun. You get to learn so much. And every day is a new insight. Like Hafsa said, no session is identical. And even if this theme is similar, you'll expect कि चलो ये एक चीज हो सकती है जो repeat होगी. It doesn't. It never repeats.
Even between the three of us, you know, because maybe we've said something already in a previous session, and all three of us are there for all of our sessions. And even then, every topic, every session, we learn something about each other as well. So it's like a growing, you know, thing that's happening right now.
So
yeah,
like,
there's a sense of
you guys
familiarity.
already
Sorry.
have organized so many conversation events. So like among all of you, who is more tense before events and before startup? Like यार कैसे होगा कब होगा ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ ज़्यादा.
I think we're all on the same page. Usually,
Yeah,
we're like, हाँ बात ही करना है. You know, it doesn't feel like a job or it doesn't feel like work or anything.
exactly.
We look forward to it because we're like, हाँ आज बात करने मिलेगा. That's generally the outlook, like the mindset for all three of us, I think. But if it's anything different, tell me now.
No, it's usually so it's good that you have two people to fall back on, right? So it won't be a problem ever. And especially like we are packed with work, we are in an ongoing full-fledged master's course. So there's a lot of things going on at the side. But we know that chalo yaar, aaj we'll have that 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes of conversation on something we really enjoy. So it doesn't even feel like a event or something formal's coming out. It's just you're going to meet new people. You're going to talk to them about it.
Yeah, like that's great. Like you have created something which can like relax your mind after a heavy day and well, after all that heavy sessions in college.
Yeah, yeah.
This
One
is
of the participants,
feedback,
sorry,
yeah.
Zabia.
No,
Yeah,
that, I think we're saying the same thing, bol do.
yeah. One of the participants actually said that it's like a brain spa. So people just come in and they talk. And it's a very non-judgmental environment. It's not like a classroom setup where the teacher is the expert and you are a mediocre person who doesn't know anything. But yeah, at this platform we are all equals. So we are always learning from each other, and there's no judgment that's being passed.
Interact with people, like when we are asking them to register or something, when we're talking to them, a lot of people say hum baat nahi karenge, we won't talk, we'll be quiet. But then
Yeah,
when they join in, they automatically start talking because there is this whole sense of familiarity that is created, like community. There's no judgment, and it's not just from the three of us. It's the other participants to take their credit, but even
Yeah.
people are so non-judgmental that it's surprising to us too.
Yeah.
yeah. Like I'm really glad. Like that's great. You have created such an environment because when like even when we have a close group of 5 or 6 friends, there are few friends who will judge us. So like people generally open to 1 or 2 friends that are very close to each other. But yeah, like that's great. You have created such a good environment. So like any one of you, if you want to share your personal experience or a motivation, like which would be the driving force, like that is the reason you are like करना है इसको तो बनाना ही है इसको तो हमें मतलब कन्वर्सेशन अभी जितना ज्यादा ये आइडियोलॉजी या जितना ज्यादा ये आइडिया को हम like get into the more people, that would be better. So कोई driving force.
Building sense of community for me. I mean, not just for me, it's for them too, because that's what we started off with. Okay, because we spoke about so many topics, so many things, and so many people come together. Like when so recently we had a topic, theme was periods. Okay, menstruation. And what happened was that one day we had only boys, and we were so happy about that. Like there was something that we didn't expect. We were only expecting women to come, but there were men too, and we were so happy. So हमारा भी stereotype break हुआ that only women would want to
Exactly.
talk about it.
So the small surprises that we get, all those brain fart moments, that is, I think, what makes us look forward to another session. Because I mean, what's there not to love, right? At the end of the day.
Because what has happened, like something like a topic of period, like it's a taboo thing
Yeah.
in India. So like working on that, and yeah, that's great, creating an environment. So like you guys started from college, like in I think when did you started?
Started 2 months back.
2 months
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
Yeah.
in during college session. So like you already you would have some like teachers ke nazar mein it's a growing something or a startup kind of thing in college.
Actually, we had talked to a teacher, and she was quite supportive of the initiative, and she also helped us build like initial part. She suggested what can be done because she also has a lot of things. And as a psychology teacher, you just can't be survive in this world by doing just a small psychology internship or something. You have to have five things at least or six things in hand. And she also has experience in organizing a lot of events and conferences and stuff, a lot of. So she's actually supported us, and we are quite studious students. So we
Yeah.
don't really miss our lectures, so that was not a problem. And like I said, that um, there wasn't any backlash, or because people knew that we were starting up with a good thing.
Yeah.
So I don't think so there was any problem from the staff side as such.
Yeah, and like it never clashed with college. We've always maintained a balance between our education, like our studies, and what we're doing. So
I just like I've been listening to all your debates, small debates, and like I've just wanted to know and wanted to explore about like I'm a little bit curious. I've thought there was a picture in my mind that this could be a technical lecture. So and I'm not offended by the way. I'm not offended. Like I like you guys are sharing a lot of things together, and it will be helpful for me as well because I'm working on my presentation skills. And sorry, I would like to give you a brief introduction about myself. I'm working as an embedded system engineer for a company called ConnectWise. It's a big brand, and like I'm working on so multiple domains. So yeah, I would
Oh,
love to be a part of this group.
yes. So actually, so this event, so generally we at Ocolab there are different segment of events. So this
Hmm.
event is mostly like we have started a new event called Charcha. So it's just
Yes,
a
yes,
discussion or a like interview kind of thing with guys like
yes.
Conversation who have started something new and who is something who are
Mm-hmm.
creating who have inspiration to create something new. So
Mm-hmm.
this is event of that kind, more of that kind.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, thanks, Asif. So
And I'm sorry to stop you right there, but I would love to share my things as well because I've been a part of a cultural committee in my present organization, and I've attended multiple workshops and like for women safety and for child abuse, you can say, and a lot of things. Like I've been a part of this. So there's one experience which I would certainly like to share about you with you guys. I'm so sorry.
yeah,
no,
go ahead.
nothing to
You
be
don't
sorry
have to be
about.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been a part of this workshop for women safety, where we have been like told a lot of things about how to react on some on difficult situations. So I would like to tell you something about myself first. That I used to play boxing, and I used to play combat when I was in college. So I had this thing in my mind that I should enroll some schools and try and teach them about self-defense. So when I attended this training, this when I was a part of this training, it completely changed my perception about women's safety and self-defense, because I used to think that कि लड़ेंगे, women should attack, you know, the defilers. But when I have attended this, it was an eye opener session for me कि बहुत सारी चीजें उसने टेक्निकली बंदे ने एक्सप्लेन की थी वहां पे सेशंस में हमको, एंड कब रिएक्ट करना है, कौन सी एप्स इमरजेंसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट कब रखना है, एंड व्हेन टू यूज योर फोन. दो दो तीन रेफरेंसेस दिए थे, लाइक निर्भया केसेस, एंड कुछ फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर किए ये सब चीजें. और उसमें क्या था कि यू डोंट अटैक, you take some measures, like preventive measures to defend that attack, but you don't attack the defiler. You just need to be mentally prepared, and you just need to take some precautions, like
So like basically just don't go directly for eliminating. Just
yes,
prevent yourself.
exactly.
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली. सो वो जो आजकल मैंने फेसबुक पे देखे हैं बहुत सारे, वो जो हाथरस के केस में जो हुआ, उसके बाद सब लोगों ने फेसबुक पे ये पोस्ट करना चालू कर दिया कि कैसा डिफेंड करना है, कैसा कोई आएगा तो उसको अटैक करना है. सो आई डोंट थिंक दिस थिंग वर्क्स. वो जो ट्रेनिंग था उसमें मेरा कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट परसेप्शन, उन्होंने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया बहुत सारी चीजें, जो एप्लीकेशन है मुंबई पुलिस के, और इन्होंने मतलब वो बताया कि कैसा उन एप्लीकेशंस को यूज करना है, कैसे उसमें इमरजेंसी कॉन्टेक्ट्स डालना है, कि इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी आपने बटन प्रेस करना है. आपने मोबाइल दिखा दिया, लाइक एक आपको एक सिनेरियो एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ कि इन केस ऑफ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन, व्हेन यू शो द डिफाइलर के देख मैं मोबाइल पे किसी को फोन पे इन्फॉर्म करने जा रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स आप अपनी लाइफ रिस्क में डाल रही हो ना. सो दैट वाज द थिंग कि इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीजें ना, कि हाउ टू हैंडल सिचुएशंस, लाइक कैसा अपना दिमाग जगह पे रखना है वहां पे वो टाइम पे.
So
मोबाइल
like
निकाल के दिखा दिया, दैट मीन्स वो तो और अटैक करेगा सामने.
yeah, like obviously don't try to eliminate. First make
Yes,
yourself safe.
yes,
After that you can like file an FIR on you can then try to eliminate. But just that पहले अपनी जान बचा लो
yes,
and then
exactly.
try to be on aggressive mode.
याद करके आई थिंक आई कैन मेक अ प्रेजेंटेशन एंड आई कैन शेयर इट विथ यू गाइस. सो
Yeah,
Actually,
but
we can have a
thank you
actually.
so much,
Thank you, Asif. We can
Asif.
have a yeah, we can have a session on that. Like we
yes,
can
of
take a
course.
session. Yeah, like it's needed. Looking at the current scenario, it's needed,
Yes, of
Yeah.
course it's needed.
and that
Yeah,
would be
but
the
as if we were just trying to say, I think you got you gave the silver lining, because you told that once you attended that workshop, you had a lot of ideas about women's
Hmm.
safety and everything. But once you attended, you had a completely different perspective, and that's
Yes,
what's going to happen today. That's what happens at conversation. You meet new people, you get different perspectives, and you realize that, oh no, there are other belief systems other than mine. So
yes,
yeah, thank you so much for sharing that.
yeah.
Yeah.
yes,
Like
yes.
basically, you'll get some different perspectives to understand and दूसरे के चश्मे में बैठ के देखना जो बोलते हैं ना दूसरे
Yeah.
के नजरिए से.
In
Yeah,
psychology, we call it post-formal thinking, where we believe that not everything is mutually exclusive. It
Hmm.
could be inclusive too. I mean, that's
yeah.
where we can like
Yeah.
arrive at. That's
Yeah.
post-formal thinking. So that's another level of maturity that we need to acquire.
Yeah, but I do have a bit technical question to you, Abhishek. Like, how do we, uh, how did you come about this topic in the Charcha thing for data science and conversation? Like, how do we go about it?
Like this is a new segment that like the idea came to me like we should start something called a charcha where
Yeah.
we'll call some like guys like you or a students or a student or a PhD student. So we'll talk to them and we'll get his like his or her experience. So basically, what Ocolab does is, yeah, like as you know, data science is a vast field which includes
Yeah.
math, stats, CS, and business understanding is also important. Like at the end, you have to apply it somewhere.
Yeah.
So Ocolab gives an opportunity to interact with students who are already in the field and get better clarity from them before pursuing it. just that पानी में उतरने से पहले you'll get an अंदाजा that what is a data science, because challenges in reality and like जो like all those catchy advertisement and catchy courses, like I won't say any name, but
Yeah.
what they promise and everything is just that once you enter, then there is no going back. But
Yeah.
like when you talk to a student, now you'll get a better understanding ki what is really going on in this field before entering. So like
Yeah.
world is totally moving towards AI and automation, and like technology is making our life easier. So this
Yeah.
is where everyone needs a data science, because at the end what is happening is a doctor also needs to do a coding, because at the end if a robotic doctor is implemented in somewhere in a village, robotic doctor, because we cannot send a human doctor everywhere, so
Yeah.
a doctor also needs to control that. So everyone should like understand what the concept of data science and use that. And like as I told, student can give us the better picture of the subject to its to his or her peer. So it's more of like कि यार कॉलेज में मिले नीचे क्वाड में, या चार बच्चे हैं
Yeah.
बैठे बोले यार I'll ask Janvi or Hafsa for about psychology, you just tell us कि यार like अच्छा बुरा सब बताओगे. So
Yeah.
it's a similar thing. And prime example for this is when we go for a college admission, what we generally do for a new college, what we do is we ask an existing student, हमें गेट के बाहर कोई मिल गया, we ask him कि like what is his college review, what he thinks of his college. So like उससे क्या होता है, we get an beforehand idea before taking an admission. So yeah, we
Yeah.
help guys who want to like enter in this field, and we firmly believe on teach and learn.
Yeah, Abhishek, I think these guys will also agree with me. We don't know a lot about data science, but we were recently exposed to statistics. It was literally shoved down on us. So, initially, when you get into psychology, they will tell you you won't have to get to deal with numbers. So, a lot of people come for that. But so, what happens? Abhi Masters may they introduce us as full blown stats, okay? And we
BOE.
freaked out. We literally freaked out because this stats was equal to I think BSc level, TY BSc level, if I'm not wrong.
So yeah,
And
like
they expect,
hmm,
yeah. And the only thing that passed us, like how we passed was three of us and few of our friends, because we could learn and grow from each other. That was the only thing that helped us pass stats. Otherwise we couldn't have, because our teacher is brilliant. Like when he teaches stats, he's really good, but he doesn't understand that there's a little
there is a
gap.
gap. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So,
Like
and
what is
this gap
like
doesn't exist between three of us, or with our friends. We just like
yeah,
shout yeah.
I totally agree with you, Janvi. So what happens is, even when I am teaching you guys, I know like you don't have a certain background of mathematics or statistics, so I have to go at that level and then start from there. So that's what does when a student tries to like help his or her peer in understanding certain concepts and all. So like yeah, we at our collab, we are open to help any statistical questions. So we are the statistical guys. And actually, look, I think second event was organized. It was a collaboration between statistician and a psychologist.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
so see, I think she's, oh no, actually she's not from KC. So it was a psychologist and a statistician. They came up with an example, and they showed like how we can use numbers and in psychology and for deciding certain things.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, that's
And
stats.
obviously.
Yeah.
sorry, Hafsa, go ahead, go ahead.
No, there's a lot of stats in psychology. In fact, like the
Exactly.
testing and everything is based
T
on
test and
statistics.
F test.
Yeah.
Life revolves around that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And
And
you spoke about learning together, and kid you not, this is exactly how we study. Like us, we sit in the library and we study together. We explain concepts to each other. So the one person is the bakra for that day, and whatever I have
Which is
understood, I
usually
will
me. They
No,
usually do that.
actually, that's great for that bakra. Because more
Let me
she
victimize
explains, the
myself,
better.
please. Let me victimize myself in peace, please.
please, you make us the bakra too, okay?
Yes,
Statistics, so many times, every time she understood a concept, she would be like, okay, now
I
listen
have to
to me,
explain
I'm
now.
telling you what it is. So then she
yeah.
will go, but honestly, it's so helpful because at least it clears things up. Like if there's one part where I'm thinking, oh, ye aisa hai, but then she sees something, I'm like, oh no, actually this is what it actually is. So it's really helpful in like learning and clearing your exams for that matter.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
also motivates you. Like, I was a B student and I came to A plus by my TY. And I think 90% of this goes to Zahabia and Fakira. That time we wouldn't study with Janvi, like one of our friends. They were so motivated that even you would want to do better. So it's not just, you studying, it's not just the content, but it's also the psychological support you get from the people.
Yeah, like Hafsa, I totally agree with you, and even I can connect myself. Like you guys won't believe I got just around 65% in 10th standard. Like after that, and from there, I completed my masters. It was like who like psychological support that you talked about. That's very much essential. Like I had my father, he motivated me, but yeah, like in terms of family, in terms of friend, you should have someone who will psychologically support you so that you can go ahead,
Yeah.
because yeah,
Yeah.
life is never stopping. This is just a one failure.
Yeah, and I think that's what, collaborative learning is about. Like, you grow from it. So, personally speaking, Abhishek, I was a solo learner. So, like, before Hafsa and Zahabi also, whenever they used to ask me, I said, no, I can't do, I study alone and this and that. But then, with masters and everything, it gets very stressful. And you can't be like, कि मेरे को सब कुछ आता है या फिर, I'll be able to sail the boat alone, But
I
that time
think
I met these guys and they helped and what's the best thing about collaborative learning is they help in fill gaps. So when you're talking to a teacher, they think they're the experts, they know the best. You tell them ki sir ya ma'am aisa nahi hai, they will never listen to you. But I can easily
you
tell this
cannot
to
cross
them.
question them.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I can obviously tell Hafsan Zahabia ki bhai nahi ye galat hai, do it my way or do it the other way, and they will listen. They will keep their minds open to other options. So it becomes very
So,
easy and very flowy.
so who is the topper among you three?
Janvi.
No, like,
Janvi.
that I understood. So all the solo learners, like,
No, but we kind
no,
of
I
like
think
pushed her to join us. By the end of it, she was like a collaborative learner.
Yeah, yeah.
And you
Abhishek,
also look
I'm gonna
forward.
need. I'm so sorry.
No, it's
yes,
okay.
answer.
May I?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna need a small help, about AI. I just wanted to verify from someone expertise on this that if I wanted to pursue my AI, if I want to take lectures and complete my certifications on AI, it's not about me. Actually, my fiance wanted to complete it. So, you think it would be better if I enroll her from the government institute like IIT. She works at IIT at present as a research associate, so it will be easy for her. But she will be moving out with me, So she was thinking that she should drop that idea of completing it from the government institute, and she wanted to do it privately. Like, so do you think which one option would be the better one, like doing it privately from the private organizations, or doing it from a well-known organization like IIT?
Asif, like on that, so when you compare like government colleges and private colleges or courses for that matter, so what happens are in private everything is a glossy and like they'll teach you fancy and practical. So you'll get a better learning in like the today's education scenario. Private college is better, but in comparison with the local colleges. But when you compare it to IIT, IIT is IIT. So
Okay.
there people have different mindset. And like yeah, Rasif, it's just a thing of you can learn AI on your own also, AI or machine learning, because this is all a concept. Abhi what happens is abhi ke log kya karte hain, they all just run on programming and for implement they go for directly for implementation. But when you develop that concept na, and that concept would be better developed in IITs, because developing
Okay.
concept is important. Once the concepts are clear, then the implement you can learn implementation as fast like.
She already works at IIT, and she have a good
So like
hands-on
if
experience
I
in
could,
Python.
so if I could give you an example, if there are CS guys, yeah, please, थोड़ा मैं गलत नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
So what happens is कि, like you can learn a coding or anything in a year or so, but when you want to learn certain concepts of mathematics, na, it will like you'll scratch your head. Literally, you'll
Hmm.
scratch your head, and it requires more like 2 to 3 years. But that
Hmm.
technical guy can learn coding easily, but coding guy cannot learn maths that easily. So
Hmm.
yeah, like it's on your lookout. Yeah, like that's the suggestion from my side. Even I
She
am
have
biased
a
because
strong background.
even
She
I
have a
am biased
strong
because
background. Hmm.
okay.
I'm so sorry. Please go ahead. I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
I'm really very
actually,
sorry.
I can be biased because I'm also from a technical, from a theoretical background. But just that I learned coding and like the peers around me learn coding very quickly. So that's why I'm saying, suggesting you that.
I think we should go with the IIT thing.
Yeah, IIT would be great.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. That
Yeah,
helps a
thanks.
lot.
So guys, on conversation, we're back on conversation. Like, you have any upcoming events? If you could tell us
Yeah.
more about that event.
So we have like Zara would like to take that one. I think she explains the
Rather, you
whole
have not answered
Yeah.
anything.
progress very well.
So, I mean, we have topics every weekend, and we have movie discussions as well, movie shows, whatever. Because I mean, a lot of people want to talk about that. There's a lot of things to talk about as well, correct? So, I mean, every weekend we come up with a new topic. It could be interesting for different kinds of people, and honestly, like there are some people who just join us because they enjoy conversing. So they might not know a lot about the topic, but they will come anyway because they find it encouraging. They find it a learning space, and they enjoy coming to our platform, talking and just learning. So I think that our events are like every weekend we have a session or topic, and you will see it on our page. It's there every weekend, and everyone's free to join. Like the more the merrier, right?
Yes, obviously.
And Abhishek, I would just like to tell you this. There's this one person, he's one of my friends who joined conversation. I'd sent a message, or I think I'd put it as a story. And he joined that for the first time. Ki, acha chalo, this is something new, let's try it. And post that, he always sends me money before the session. He doesn't know the theme. And he just send it to me, and I'll be like, theme to wait kar le,
Yeah,
see what is it about? And no, I just want to talk. I have a stupid 9 to 5 job. I get really frustrated at it. So anything will do. And believe me or not, he comes for every goddamn session, and we're so happy to see him because always he has different insights to give to us.
actually, yeah, like I think I'll give you a suggestion. Change your name from conversation to brain spa. Yeah, literally, literally. And like as a psychologist, you would understand like in current scenario how like if someone is stuck in a city where they work or where they study in these difficult times with no family and at all, like this all like platform like a conversation can be very helpful for them, because yeah, at the end of the days, every person wants to have a conversation or wants to have a talk with someone so that they can divert their mind from their work and education and study stuff, so that they can refresh their mind. Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Thank you guys for this wonderful session. Hope you all
So much.
like
Sorry,
Thank you
one
for
second. I
having.
did say more the more the merrier, but we generally have like 5 people and the three of us. And so
okay.
it's small groups, but we will keep multiple sessions if we have more registrations throughout the day because I mean we know that people want to talk. So that's what I meant by
Yeah.
more the merrier. I just want to clear it so that because it's a small, safe environment. The
Yeah.
bigger the group, not everybody gets a chance to talk and share, right? So that is
Yeah.
why we have smaller groups, but like throughout the day, we will have like 2, 3 sessions so that everyone gets a turn.
And
Yeah.
like actually, you told about that period wala story, and that it
Mm.
currently hit me. Right? You can like you can use such a platform for like eliminating like ideas and like thinking towards that taboo stuff that currently is in our society. You said like you can use that. Uh, I think in future you'll obviously use
We're
it for.
trying. That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's one of our biggest goals. Like we're trying to break those stereotypes, not just about the other things, like but our stereotypes too. Like we're not free of them.
Exactly.
Like
Yeah.
studying psychology, we've eliminated a few, but there are so many more to go. Like the periods thing that I just said, I had a stereotype. So, but thank you so much, like for pointing that out and saying that our platform is worth it. That
No,
means a lot.
actually,
Thank you so
that's
much.
great, man. Thank you guys, thank you Hafsa, thank you Zabi, and thank you Janvi for this wonderful session. And like, get more people in on your platform and like brain spa. Basically, from now on, for me, the name is Brain Spa. Even I'll share us the link. I'll also join.
Yes. Please
We would
do.
love that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love to hear from a
Yeah.
data
Thank you, guys.
scientist.
Thank you very much.
And I
Fresh
would
and
say
different
I
perspective
really,
for us.
Yeah.
yeah,
Asif, you were saying
say
something.
I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Sorry, I was getting another call. So sorry. Yeah, I was saying I really appreciate this, and I would love to be a part of this Chai Pe Charcha in future, in near future. And just one request: if you want me to speak on any specific topic, like I said, I've attended a lot of workshops, and there are so many ideas. Like I'm basically not a book smart. I'm just a street smart. So
Yeah,
I know how
actually,
to handle. I know how to handle difficult situations. Like I may not be able to explain. I may not be able to speak on technical terms, but when it comes to hacking stuffs, like how to handle difficult situations in life, when it comes to technical things, also like I have introduced one process in my present organization that I'm working as an embedded system engineer. Like I'm dedicated to one particular partner. So there are a lot of openings based on this position, right? And I've observed that a lot of people, a lot of my colleagues were getting fired from my partner because we have been assigned one particular partner, one particular MSP, and we are handling all their sites. So I've observed that a lot of people were getting fired. So because they did not manage, somehow did not manage to handle difficult situations. Like so, I've created introduced a new process in my present organization, which is still in the pipeline because because of this lockdown thing. But I can give you such ideas like how to handle difficult situations, how to work on in a difficult scenarios. I'm sure I can
yeah, like
handle it.
basically, I think in a nutshell, you can take a session on street smartness because even I am
Hmm.
also a strong believer of street smartness, and it's required. If you have to
Yes,
survive in a city like Mumbai or a city like Delhi, metropolitan cities,
yes.
so yeah, that's
Especially
required.
our Indian education system runs away from street smartness, so we need that.
Yeah.
You can talk to Shaunak about me. He will tell you about my life journey. It's very interesting, and and I really
Okay,
like the
guys.
idea about this. Yeah, I
So I
really
think
appreciate
like
it.
there's a two session. Then there's two session we can take with you. One is on street smartness and another is on like the
I'm
women's
sorry.
safety. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
we'll look ahead for that. Uh, Again, thank you guys. I think time is
Bye
up.
bye.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for
Bye.
having
Thank
us,
you.
Bye, bye.
Abhishek.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
It was really nice.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
it
much, guys.
was.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.